Welcome to our bonus module where we'll talk about what's next for you. Now that you've discovered your purpose, how do you live it day in and day out? But first, congratulations. Whether you've discovered your purpose or you're well on your way, I applaud you. The Discover Your Purpose course is intense and demanding, I know, which makes me that much prouder of you for sticking with it to the end. I hope your purpose quickens your heart and brings you a sense of peace and joy. Still finalizing your purpose? Not to worry. Make sure you continue to make progress. Remember that you have lifetime access to this course, so you can come back to it anytime, again and again. Before you focus on your purpose statement and how to live it moving forward, I'd like to suggest that you go back to the building blocks of purpose and revisit your findings. I don't want you to miss out on the opportunity to think more deeply about how you're currently living true to your values, strengths, passions, and callings. Please refer to the follow-along guide for instructions. My goal is to help you decide if there are areas where you'd like to make some changes, even small ones, to live more authentically based on your values, to harness your strengths, to embrace your passions, and to honor your callings. Okay, back to your purpose statement. Once you have a good working draft of your purpose statement and you feel good about it, even if it's not perfect, because that's really not the goal, it's time to think about putting that purpose to action in your life. Your purpose statement is your why, but often it's not your what. It does not necessarily spell out what you'll go do with your new awareness. So how will you live your purpose day to day? The truth is, there are many paths one can take with a purpose, many ways to live it day by day. For example, when you read my own purpose statement, with the focus to empower women to create a life of fulfillment and joy, you'll realize the variety of avenues I could have chosen and can still choose to embrace in order to live my purpose, whether paid or unpaid, a profession or a passion project. I could have become and could still choose to become a therapist, a teacher, an advocate, a mentor, a community organizer, a writer, a nonprofit founder, a speaker, or yes, a coach, which is exactly what I did. So don't focus on defining a specific path for yourself right now. Don't limit yourself. Paint the big picture of your purpose. Defining your path will be the next step. Some of you may find out you're already on your path. You're already living your purpose. There might be an opportunity for you to double down on your mission or to tweak certain aspects of your life to more fully embrace that purpose, but you're well on your way. What a great feeling to know you are on the right path for you right now. And some of you may have written a purpose statement that you love, but you're not sure how to make it come alive day in and day out. There are likely many options, like there were for me, to live your purpose. How do you figure out which one is right for you? If you're wrestling with your next step, I encourage you to give yourself plenty of space and time to explore. Share your purpose with trusted friends and family members, therapists, and coaches. Talking it through will help you process your findings and come up with viable next steps in your journey to live a life of purpose. And you never know what ideas and resources might come your way when you open up about your journey. Take this time to explore different paths that you feel might allow you to bring your purpose to life. And if you're considering a major life change, find ways to dabble in your new venture before committing more fully. I am so excited for you and cannot wait to hear about your purpose and how you will act on it in your life. Until then, be well.